In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate onboarding on Asana 2025, step by step. We'll start by building the foundation. Sign into Asana, click New, then Project. You can choose a blank project if you want full control, or start from a template if you prefer guidance. Give it a clear name, like Client Onboarding, Employee Onboarding, or New Contractor Setup. Choose the list view for a structured top-to-bottom workflow, then create the project. This will be your central hub for every onboarding. Next, map the flow with sections so tasks move logically from start to finish. For client onboarding, you might use sections such as welcome and orientation, account setup, document collection, project setup, and kickoff call. For employee onboarding, think HR requirements, tools access, training milestones, role tasks, and first week schedule. Clear sections make automation predictable and reporting easier. Now, speed up repeat work with task templates. Open your project menu, go to Manage Templates, and create templates for recurring actions. Typical examples include sending the welcome email, requesting branding assets, scheduling the onboarding call, granting access to tools, and assigning role-specific tasks. Save each one. Templates keep details consistent and make rules far more powerful. Before we automate, add the custom fields that will drive your logic. Click Customize and add fields such as onboarding status, priority, account type, start date, and assigned department. These fields allow you to filter, report, and most importantly, trigger actions automatically. Let's add rules, the core of automation. In Customize, open rules and add the following. Automatically assign new tasks to the appropriate owner the moment they're created. Automatically set due dates when a task moves into account setup. For example, 2 days after the start date. Automatically move tasks forward when they're completed so they flow into the next phase without manual work. Automatically send a message when a task enters the welcome section to notify the client or teammate. And automatically create subtasks from your onboarding template whenever a task is created, so every checklist appears instantly. If you want fully automated intake, add a form. In Customize, create a form with fields like name, email, company, start date, role, and needs. In form settings, send submissions to this project, set the default section to welcome, and apply a task template if needed. Each submission becomes a task and triggers your rules. Finally, turn this project into a reusable template. Open the project menu, choose Save as Template, name it something clear like Client Onboarding Template 2025, and use it for every new client or employee. Your onboarding is now consistent, automated, and ready to scale.